Welcome. So this morning is kind of special. It's raining and the air is cool and refreshing. There's a sense of calm that's so pleasant. Now I'm just hanging out in my backyard, taking in the beauty of the rain on camera. The sound of the raindrops is this soothing meditation for the soul. Everything looks so fresh and clean. The grass, the walls, and even the sky. I'm strolling towards this door, and as soon as I open it, I get a whole new view. Look at this, guys. A cute little garden with some gorgeous flowers and leaves just because of the rain. The rain's made everything look even more vivid. And the sweet sound of birds adds to the charm. You know, sometimes life's little moments are the real treasures. No rush, no stress, just pure bliss. I just want to hang out here for a bit, savor the view and let it all in. Let me take you down a different path, though. Maybe through this video, you can feel the peace too. If y'all enjoy these laid-back videos, make sure to hit that subscribe button. And hey, if you're feeling this peace too, leave a comment below saying how you feel about rainy weather.